bacon part 2. This has been in the fridge now for 6 days. Putting it out of the packaging was a surprise. It's nowhere near as sticky as I thought it would be with all the treacle. So what we have to do now is give it a good wash under cold running water. Get all the cure off the spices. It all came off remarkably well. I did think it would be a lot stickier. And you can see now where it lives up to its name of black bacon. Using paper towel, kitchen towels now to dry. This has to be really dry to go back in the fridge for about 3 days. Don't normally do belly pork. Our favourite is loin, making back rashers. The slices off into a dry skillet. You can see there's enough fat in the belly pork to not require any fat or oil. It rendered down well. Black bacon. Will I do it again? Definitely. It tastes great.